Hi guys, this is Shahib again. Once again, I'm just today I'm gonna show you how to record your screen without any software. Only using just only extension, Chrome extension. Just go to the google.com and search Nimbus screenshot and video recording for Chrome extension. Click on the extension, first link, and you will redirect to the Chrome store and just install this extension. I have already installed, so I don't need to install again. You will see the extension uh, here you will see the Nimbus screenshot and recording logo. Just pin it so that you can see the logo is outside of the extension, and here will show the Nimbus logo. Just click on that extension just like this. You will see just like this Nimbus logo. When you will click on that, you will see the some menu and of the options is there. I have a two screenshot to show you because since I am recording, so the I cannot show you on that Chrome browser, or I can open another Chrome browser, or maybe it will help you to show you. It's also recording here, so I have to show you in Chrome the screen I captured for you to show the settings or menu of the Nimbus screen and video recorder. See, the video recording option is here, and when you click on that video recording option, you will see another settings is like that. Record mic sound, just allow it, and if you want to capture the video also, you can allow it to. And just a tab or desktop, you like to capture the tab or desktop, just click the desktop and start record. You can set it here to audio watermark for your video, but just I have no license, so I cannot add the watermark. If you purchase the license, you can add also. Just click start to record, and you will see the recording is started. One more thing is more important note is here that you have to close after you have to close the Chrome after setting is finished first time. Then open it and click here for the Nimbus logo onto the Nimbus logo and video record. Click the record video, and then click the start record, so that your video will start to record your screen, your extension. And see the extension is recording here, so the recording logo is here showing. It sounds capture the high quality sounds, and video recording is also the high quality video recording, so you can capture and record your video for the tutorial purpose. And you have an extension also to drawing on the screen. See, here show drawing tools. So if you enable this extension, this option, you will see the here will be shown the extension tool, drawing tool, so that you can draw on a video here. But here I cannot because I already closed this. So that's all about the video and screen recording for the without any software, and only just with the screen extension, Chrome extension. So guys, just try it for your record. If you have any question, or if you face any difficulties to record your screen, just tell me and mm, comment your problem on the video I will post it. Thanks, and please subscribe my channel and keep in touch.